It's watering, not washing the streets. I mean, that has happened before. Okay, through the rain is pouring down. And there it is. Try to zoom in there, see? Can you see? It is watering the plants. Oh my God. Really? Just go more quickly. Oh, that was a big piece of lightning there. Whoa, do you see over the road?
Fucking big lightning.
Do you see the road